What's going on, guys? Operation Moon here with another video. Shout out to everyone who's been supporting me. We're at like 970 subs, so it's unreal. At 30 away from that 1K, so trying to hit that goal before the end of July. I believe we can do it, and this video very well may get me there. So if you like the content, hit that sub button. It'd be greatly appreciated. We're going to have a giveaway at 1K subs. So today's video, we're going to have a look at the overall crypto market. As some of you may be aware, it is down, causing a lot of people to pull out of tokens, as well as we're going to have a little update here on Bonfire. The project update is meant to happen in less than 24 hours, so stay tuned for that. Jumping right across the coin market cap here, and we can see the last 24 hours, the overall crypto market is up 4.5%. Regardless of that, we'll go to BTC and we will see its chart over the course of the last few days. It is significantly down. Now, people are saying that we're about to enter a bear market, and we could see lows as, low as 11K. People are speculating. Obviously, nobody knows that for sure, but if this is the start of the bear cycle, we could very well go all the way down. Now, you can see we hung around this 29,000 area, 29,400 here. This is a key level of support. The fact that we had been around there and tested it, I'm going to say a good maybe 3-4 times, this 29,400 range, and then we have bounced back up only in the last couple of hours, probably about 3 or 4 hours ago. We bounced back up from 29,800, went all the way back up to 30,800, and that's where we're sitting at the moment. But it's not looking great at the moment for the overall crypto market. But as some of you may know, there are bull runs and bear runs. When the market goes like this, it is a good time to build, consolidate your portfolio, buy the dips and just accumulate over the course of the bear run. But we're still not there yet, but things are looking kind of grim for the overall crypto market. But we can see not even in the last 24 hours we're down 7.5% in the last 24 hours, and you can see this one candle in the last 4 hours is up 3.5%. So it's all over the place at the moment. If we do break this 29,400, I believe we're going to go all the way down to about 24K is the next major support, I believe. And then besides that, we will break the 20s if that's the case. But needless to say, that is impacting the entire crypto market. So we're going to jump into Bonfire and have a look at that. But yeah, so don't be too alarmed if there's a lot of money coming out of all the tokens that you're invested in, but that's just the way it goes. It can't always be green. It can't always go up. All right. Jumping across to the Reddit here, and we can see, it's T-minus 24 hours. That was 11 hours ago. So we're looking at about 12 hours until the project update. So that's going to be exciting. We'll see what they have to say there. I'm going to have a look at BSC scan and just looking at if we've actually lost a lot of holders since this, the downward trend has happened. And look, we're still at 333,000, my favorite number when it comes to Bonfire, hey? But look, that's a good sign. Obviously, potentially we could be breaking that very soon, down to 332,000, but we're not losing hundreds or thousands of holders a day, which is still promising. There's still transactions going in. People are buying the dip, but we will look at that chart shortly. I'm going to jump across to the Reddit. I just wanted to have a look at some of these posts here. Basically, I thought they could help with a bit of inspiration for the overall market. It seems like there's a lot of people in this bull run that haven't invested before or just don't understand. Yes, you can buy a project if you want to make a quick buck. And if that's the case, cool, keep it to yourself. Don't put out negativity about why you haven't made money yet or when you bought at an all-time high and now you're down. Like, that is 100% on you to do your own research and work out if it's a good investment. And if you're only buying it to make money, you're not investing in the idea, once again, that is on you. So if this does turn into a full bear market, do some research and work out the best way to invest for you. But this post here from DXMMS says, Bonfire will burn on. Bear markets are the perfect time to build. Gives the team the time to develop the ecosystem to the right standard. Next bull run, this has the potential to really perform. Stay strong, hodlers. See you on the parabolic flip side. So yeah, well said. Exactly right. Like, depending on how long this takes to come back out into the bull run, gives you time to accumulate more tokens, to let the team develop the ecosystem. We know that Bonfire's got a lot on their plate. And obviously they want to do it right. So, this can work out well. It's just it may take time. I understand that some people will be down because they bought at all-time highs, but that just comes down to doing your research before you purchase something. So buying it when the hype is at the top, you've probably missed the boat. Okay, but look, I'm not going to go into detail about that. You can do your own research. I have promoted in other videos that I've created a guide that I use. It's the steps that I use to determine if I want to invest in something. If I do decide to invest in it, what my profit strategy is, so that when I get into a token and it goes up, I make sure that I'm in a position where if it crashes down to zero, I'm still in profit. Okay. Now, obviously, it doesn't work with every token because it relies on the token or your initial investment actually going up. But if that is the case, I'm never going to be out of pocket. There'll be a link to that in the description. It's on my Patreon there. So if you're interested, you can go and have a look at that. Jumping across to the charts now, we can see that market cap is sitting at 26 mil. Look, that's not too bad. The price it was in my previous video was around 30 mil. So it has been lower than this and it has bounced back. But the overall crypto market was down as we've established, and there's a little buyback up now. So it seems like this area here, okay, so it's going to be about 4,000 area is a point of support. Overall, we're obviously very far away from the all-time high. And we're zooming out here. Each candle is 1 hour, and we can see we've been on a significant downtrend for a while. And obviously, there's a lot of people pulling out, and that's on them. These people may have put in a lot of money or more than they could afford to invest. But as you can see, there's a lot of buyers coming in. So people are buying up, and I expect a lot of people to continue buying. This is significant purchases here, a $1,000 sell off, but that's okay. So my long-term goal or the overall plan for this is to, ride it out. I didn't buy this with the intention of making, a quick buck and then not having tokens in there. The idea behind Bonfire and the ecosystem that they're building is great, and I genuinely believe in it. And the things that I'm excited about, I've put in my previous videos, is the Fire Starter, the application, social platform, the NFT marketplace. It's all really cool stuff. So if it's done, I want to be around to see it completed and see how far they actually get. I believe the team is doing a great job. So I look forward to the update that they're going to give in the next few hours. Look, today's video, going to keep it short. Basically, yeah, just remain positive, and not all investments are going to be short term. The crypto market's very volatile, and if you didn't know that coming into it, you should do some research before you invest into something like this. But yeah, it's the long term game with some of these tokens. Yeah, there's ones out there that you'll make a quick buck and you can take your profit and walk away. Cool, but they're not all going to be like that. And especially when you buy at the top, don't expect to make good returns. All right, you need to get onto these projects well before they've been hyped on every social media platform and everyone's making YouTube videos about it. So just keep your eyes out for that in the next bull cycle. All right. But look, thanks for watching. If you like the content, hit that sub button. Peace.